Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. It is launch day for our October Pillows of the Month and our sticker packs. So welcome back. I can't believe it's already October. We're almost done with this entire pillow series. We only have a couple more to go, and the last few are always my favorites because I love the fall patterns and I love all the holidays. If you're new to our sew along, I've been releasing monthly quilting and cross stitch patterns along with cute little coordinating sticker packs, and we are on October. So if you missed anything, head back to January's video. I do have a playlist for all of the pillows of the month. Most of the videos have little tutorials and tips and things like that, so you'll want to go back and watch them all. You can get all of my patterns in my store at store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com, and right on the front page there should be an image you can click to get to the pillows. If not, just search September pillow or October pillow or whatever you're looking for, and they should pop up for you. And I will also put a link on where you can get them below this video. Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to start off with our October stickers. So these might be my all-time favorite stickers from all the months so far, just because I love the color scheme. If you've seen any of my previous fall projects and quilts, I always do like a combination of sort of orange tones along with some aquas, and I just love that combination. I also throw in some greens and tans, and it's just a really nice fall vibe for me. I love the blues, so adding them in is just perfect, and I did that for these pillows and our stickers. So for the stickers, we've got 6 high quality, high color vinyl stickers. They're perfect for water bottles, laptops, guitar cases. I've got them on my sewing machine, my computer monitor. You can really put them on just about anything you like, and they will stay on really well. And like I said, they're nice, high quality and high color. So they're beautiful stickers. I've had some questions about how to get the backings off. And so a couple things: if you have nails, long nails, that helps, and you can kind of peel from the edges. If you don't have that, you can take a little pin and just lightly score the back. You obviously don't want to cut through to the front of the sticker, but then if you pop it, you can usually get that backing to peel off. So they can be a little bit tricky sometimes because they are die cut, but if you have a little bit of patience, I think you'll be okay getting them off. Okay, let's take a look at the October sticker pack. So first off, I have a cute patchwork pumpkin scallop sticker. I love these little scallop ones. They're so cute. I also am releasing a pincushion for each month. So here is the October pincushion, and if you look closely, the pin heads on the tops of the pins are cute little pumpkins. We have our sewing mug, and this one says, "I'm glad I live in a world where there are Octobers," which I'm sure you are familiar with, is from Anne of Green Gables. I also have our vintage truck. This is the front-facing truck, and there's a couple cute pumpkins in the back. I did a little bit of a retro-looking sewing machine this month, and if you notice, the fabrics or the prints that are on these stickers are all prints from my Harvest fabric collection. So this sewing machine has the cute pumpkin print on it, and I just think it's absolutely adorable. And then if you'll notice, there's also a little quilt being sewn and a little mini pin cushion sitting on the sewing machine. And then lastly, we have our patchwork pumpkin stickers. Those are so cute. There's 3 little stickers on there, and those pumpkins all match the pumpkins from my Harvest quilt as well. So that's it for the October stickers. Like I said, they come in a pack of 6. They are free shipping, and I have been trying to make sure that we order plenty so that we don't run out. So hopefully if you would like a sticker pack, you can get one. All right, let's move into cross stitch. The cross stitch and the quilty for this month are both a little bit more simple and easy, super beginner friendly, so I don't really have a tutorial for you here today, but I do have tutorials in the January one showing you how to finish both of these. So if you need help with that, you can go back and check that out. So here is the cross stitch pumpkin, and I basically took one of the pumpkins from my Harvest pattern and made it a little patchworky, and then I added that heart in, and the heart is from one of those pumpkins as well. And then I did a cute little border with some leaves. All of our pillows are stitched on 14 count Aida in the beautiful beige color by Witchilt, so I love that color. It's really nice and easy to stitch on, and also it makes the colors, I think, pop really well. And then when I finished this one, I finished it using some of my fabric from my Harvest collection, and I did fussy cut out that little pumpkin floral section because I wanted the back to be super cute. And then I just sewed them right sides together, stuffed them, and stitched up the opening. And I do have a full tutorial on how to finish it this way in the January pillow. So if you need help stitching your opening closed or just want some extra tips, make sure to head back and check that one out. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I was in a hurry when I finished this one, and I completely forgot to even put the fusible fleece on the back to make it a little bit thicker, and I think it's fine. So I finished this one super simply. I was planning on gluing or stitching some trim around the outside edge. However, I couldn't find one that matched exactly. And so I went ahead and just left it as this simple little pillow. And I haven't done just the plain pillow since January. So I figured it would be okay. And I did stuff this one with pillow stuffing, but you could also use walnut shells as well. People have been asking me where to get the walnut shells from, and you can get them on Amazon. You can get it in bulk if you're going to be making a lot of these. Or also the pet store sells crushed walnut shells because they use them for habitats for, I think it's for like lizards and things like that. So they actually have them pretty cheap there as well. This pillow finishes at about 4 inches by 4 inches. And like I said, super fast and easy. And if you are learning how to cross stitch, or you're just learning, or you're just getting started, this is a great way to do it. These little pillows are super small and fast. They're not too complicated. And I do have a how to cross stitch series here on YouTube, so you can go check that out as well. It covers everything from supplies, how to get started making your first stitch, all the way through, and some ideas on how to finish your cross stitch as well. So if you're new, check them out. These are a super beginner friendly way to get started. Okay, let's take a look at our Quilty pillow. Now I wanted my Quilty pillow to match my harvest pattern that I just released, but I want it to be a little bit different, obviously. And so I took one of the pumpkins, just like I did on our cross stitch. I made it into a patchwork pumpkin, and then I added that cute little heart on it. I think it's adorable. And by the way, so in the patterns for all of these pillows, there are fabric requirements. The minimum fabric requirement I can put is either a fat eighth or an eighth of a yard, because that's just all you're going to be able to get cut if you go to a shop. However, if you'll notice, most of the pieces on these are really small. So I highly recommend digging into your scrap bin for these. For example, there's only one little green leaf there. There's 2 little pieces of this brown. There's just 2 little pieces of orange. And then for the patchwork pumpkin section, I actually used, I think, all different prints. I think I reused this one twice and this one twice, but all the rest of them are all different. So I really recommend digging into your scrap bins before you go out and buy anything, because it's a really great way to use up some of those scraps. The only thing you might want to purchase, or hopefully you have on hand, is some background fabric. I used the low volume cream with tan dot for my background, and I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera here or not, but there's just tiny little tan dots on there. So it gives it a little bit of depth and coziness that I think is better than maybe just a plain white, although I do think this would be beautiful in white as well. If you know me at all, you know I almost always use like plain white background, but recently I've been into like really light low volumes. I just think it adds just something a little bit extra. The quilting, I did swirls and pumpkins, and I just did this on my long arm in my basement. If you're interested in information on my long arm, I do have a full video on that here on YouTube, and I kind of hodgepodged a long arm together, but it works really well. It's not super fancy, so I have to freehand everything, but I'm learning a lot and I'm having a lot of fun. And the swirls and pumpkins are one of my favorite ones to do because it's so easy and it's just a lot of fun. So hopefully you can see that on there. For the backing, I used my cream pumpkin background print from my harvest collection. I did have some left over. You need about a ½ yard for your backing, and this is an envelope backing, and so before, if I haven't had enough, I've actually done 2 different colors on here, and I thought it was also really cute. It makes the back side look a little bit scrappy too. So have fun with your backings, but I love this print so much. It's just like a little garden of pumpkins. I also did my green gingham binding for this, and then I have my Ever Emblem tag on there as well. And these are just personalized tags. It's everemblem.com, and I think the ones I got are called Whimsical Floral or something like that. If you search her website for floral personalized tags, you should be able to find them. She has a variety of ones available. So here it is again. I think it's going to match my harvest quilt perfectly, but also be just a little bit different. And like I said, I love using up all of those scraps. So I hope you guys are having fun with these pillows of the month. I know I am. If you're enjoying these and you didn't do my previous 2 series, you might want to check them out. This right here is my October truck of the month. We also did houses of the month. So I have a lot of monthlies on my website for you to check out and have fun with. So I hope you're enjoying the pillows. We only have a couple more left. And because I know people are going to ask, this quilt on my stand back here is called Vintage Fall. This is one of my all-time favorite quilts. It features my little vintage trucks with pumpkins in the back, and then it has a cute leaf sash stashing strips. Oh, it's so much fun to make. And then on the chair right here is the gem blanket. This is by Wool Thread Paint. She has her patterns available on Ravelry, and I think she has a website as well, but that's a crochet blanket and everyone always asks about it. And then my pillow on the chair also is a free tutorial that I did here on YouTube. This just is my granny square tutorial, and then I do have a video on how to put them together for this pillow and also how to line the pillow, and this one has a zipper closure on it, so it's a lot of fun. All right, hopefully that answers everybody's questions about what's behind me. I always get those, so I just wanted to clear some of that up. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. I do have a lot of fun holiday content coming your way. That's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We're going to start off with our sticker. Oh, if you're new to our sew along, we have been releasing monthly quilt and cross stitch. So that's it for our sticker. Is it? Yeah. Light tan dots on there. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera or not, but it's a creamy background with light tan dots. Airplane. And the swirl and pumpkin is one of my favorites. Let's see if I can find it. Features those little vintage trucks with pumpkins. Oh.